all excited to know more about stock market. For today's video we were going to tackle about a book review about stock market.
This book review is all about how to avoid loss and earn consistently in the stock market by Prasenjit Paul. These are the key takeaway from this book. Investing in high-quality businesses, stock, at the right price and holding them for a reasonable period is the only way to wealth creation. Written in an easy-to-understand and simple language, this book will guide you on how to select fundamentally strong businesses, when to buy and sell stocks, and how to minimize or avoid loss in the stock market. Perhaps, the stock market is the only place in the world where buyers shop less during the discount session and prefer to buy more at higher rates. Demand always rises, and index funds or stocks are a good option if you don't want to invest much time. The second was that options trading should be avoided at a beginner level and not to take tips from predatory self-proclaimed experts. Also, not to be reliant on the news or even financial websites for a tip. Investing in the market is, just like any other, hard work, and if done carefully, can give good returns. It is an insightful read if you are starting your investment journey. The author has taken the chiefly quantitative approach to analyze companies. People will find it easy to apply these techniques than detailed qualitative analysis. However, research should not be replaced in this fashion but can be considered. The author has been instrumental in framing various thumb rules backed by logical explanations to safeguard your portfolio against losses no matter what happens with the stock market. Simplified tactics have been devised while choosing a stock, in author terms, quality stock, to ensure profitability over a long time. There is hardly any area that has been forgotten to cover for a retail investor. The author has also considered the human behavior related to stock purchase and sell, which in most cases is the underlying cause for growing losses holding a stock. He claims that if you choose a quality stock, then any price is an excellent price to buy. Inherently, it's known as quality premium, i.e., you are paying something more to get higher returns. But again, he mentions Infosys's 2000 to 2006 slowdown and fall despite great balance sheets. By looking at balance sheets, it qualifies to be an excellent/quality stock, yet it didn't produce high returns. He may argue that we have to look at PE and the average PE of the company to make the purchases, and again says, buying stocks in the name that they are cheap isn't called value investing. From our school days, we learned many subjects which are helpful in one way or another in life but forgot one significant skill which makes a huge difference in one's life, which is as essential as air. Our education system taught us how to earn money through our skills but did not teach us how to generate wealth from existing cash. This book is about the stock market presented. Even a layperson can comprehend the concepts and begins their journey into the stock market. The author covered all the items a long-term investor should keep before purchasing any stock. Things to be checked when selling the stocks. The best part of the book is that all that is presented is indicated with examples that make the reader more understanding. He always says to stay away from intraday and the future and options with his experience and excellent logic that makes readers not go that way. As newcomers to the stock market, we fall into the traps such as rich schemes and many others. The author beautifully laid out all these pitfalls and how to stay away from these kinds of misconceptions. The author gives efficient, clear logic on selecting stocks, do's and don'ts in the stock market for a beginner. He insists that one has to spend 4 to 5 years to master the art of stock trading, and he touches upon almost all of the mistakes retail investors make and how to avoid them.
That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned many new things about the stock market. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Also, follow our Facebook page to learn more about the stock market.